Our higher self placed a lot of desires in our heart. These desires act like a compass to lead us to our life filled with abundance. Also, your purpose, your fulfillment, all of them lies in there. That is the right kind of desire that we need to follow. But there is also this false sense of self, which is created in this life with all that false programming. Now, when these two club in, we get confused as to what our heart really desires. And sometimes we tend to follow certain things only to realize that we are experiencing more frustration. That is a big sign that you haven't chosen the voice of your intuition but your ego's voice. I'll definitely create a video on sharing how they are different and how you can pay attention to them. But definitely, one strong tool that will help you to differentiate between the frequencies of your thoughts, and yes, that is possible, is through awareness, which is developed in meditation. So, that one tool is a must. And now, coming back to not being able to follow your heart, another reason why we don't follow those certain thoughts that is being told to us repeatedly is because of fear. Again, it is due to the wrong programming by our society or whatever, but the point is you are practicing the emotion of fear. You're holding yourself back, and when this fear is locked into a root chakra, it's like your roots of the tree are being shaken. When the roots are not strong, nothing in life can be strong. And so, this fear also manifests most importantly as financial stability. So often when people experience this is because they're holding too much fear in the root chakra, and there's also the sense of lack of surrendering to the universe. The surrender and the detachment quality, these qualities are not present or being practiced in the energy body. So you can go back to those videos too and watch it again. It's beautiful how everything is interconnected. It's quite difficult to really dissect them, but I want you to know that you can have your financial abundance. The only thing you need to do is to bring your root center back into balance. There are certain degrees in which these centers can go out of balance, physical symptoms being one of them, which I'll be talking about in my next video. So stay tuned for that. And meanwhile, if you want to shift your root chakra's frequency almost instantly, listen to the seed sound of the chakra, Lam, and your heart chakra, which is Yam. I'll put the details in the caption below, and I hope this helps in shifting your frequency, and almost instantly you will see, instantly by that I mean almost in minutes sometimes. I have seen this in my own reality. So you will see that shift happening in your life, and it's beautiful that when you practice these techniques you really realize that what a dream this life is, and how you can simply shift things by mere shifting of your own energy. So I hope this helped, and I will see you in my next video revealing more secrets to the soul.